Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we would like to discuss a certain activity that is suitable enough for the for the Nature Week that is going to be held next week. So, for my opinion, we should hold a tree planting activity. A tree planting activity is actually where you plant a certain amount of trees in a compound or selected area. So, as you can see in our university, there are plenty areas that have. It doesn't mean that it have to be compound. We can search certain suitable area with a suitable type of soil for certain trees. And for my opinion, that the foundation student, we provide trees for them and plant it. Before that, we have to search we have to search the compound first, and then we see whether the soil is good enough for us to plant trees there. So why tree planting activity? So tree, as you can see commonly that it could beautify the places. Not only can act as a shade for holding certain activities, but we can also do picnics for the future generation, right?
Yes.
And I think that by tree planting activities, we could also, for the beneficial for future generation, not only could coolden the air and provide more oxygen, because nowadays we could see how contaminated the air is because of the cars and all of those stuffs. And that is my idea about tree planting activity. How about you guys?
As for me, as for me, for the Nature Week next week, for my suggestion, we should go to a short trip to the national park. And the best park we should go is at Sabah, Kota Kinabalu. There, you could aware people importance of flora and fauna because of the varieties of flowers and animals there. For example, Kota Kinabalu National Park is famous with its rare flowers, which is the Rafflesia. Yes, not all the country around the globe have Rafflesia at their country. It's just, if I'm not mistaken, at Katulistiwa borders only. And furthermore, if you go to the national park, you would gain a new experience, because there you can do many activities such as jungle trekking, while you gain knowledge about the flora and fauna. Then you should also do hiking. As you know, at Kota Kinabalu National Park, there is Mount Kinabalu, which is one of the tallest mounts in Malaysia. And for me, yes, when we go to it will have a high cost budget, because we have to go there with we have to go there through plane. But it's for knowledge, we should sacrifice our money a bit for the knowledge we want, and to and as my conclusion, I think trip to National Park is one of the best activities we could help when at the Nature Week.
Okay. My opinion for the Nature Week is organize a camping trip to the forest reserve. There are many activities the forest reserve. One of them is we can have a camping at the forest reserve. This is because when we have a camping, we can build a strong relationship between the members and the students. Other than that, the students also can learn survival in the forest without light sources and others. At night, the student can enjoy the firework, have some song, and it can release their stress. Okay, other than that, camping trip and forest reserve also. The activity that we can do is canoeing and kayaking. At forest reserve, some of the forest reserve in Malaysia. For those people who like extreme water activity, can try this activity because it's so exciting. Yes.
Yeah.
That's true. Okay. Other than that, next. The members also can fishing at the forest reserve. This can be a new experience for them in their life. That's all for me.
Thank you, Hazim, for your brilliant idea.
Yes.
As for me, I believe that organizing a recycling day for the Nature Week is also one of the most fun and also one of the best events for the Nature Week. So, in my suggestion, for the recycling day, we will conduct a recycling competition, and this competition is not like any other typical or common recycling competition. So in my recommendation in this recycling competition, as usual, the participants can use and collect as many as they want, any kind of old and used materials such as glasses, old clothes, old newspaper, empty water bottles. So they have to create a new products, their own products, recycling products from those materials, and then we will sell those recycling products maybe either at markets or maybe souvenir stores, and the participants, they gain more profit from their sold products will be the winners, and of course they will be granted with a huge prizes. So I think this is the most fun and exciting event, because this recycling competition is not like any other recycling competition that we used to know, because I wanted to make it more challenging and more fun and also exciting, and I also wanted to make it more profitable for the participants, because this recycling competition involves the participants themselves physically and mentally, and they also could use their creativity to make their own products, such as, for example, they could create from a simple empty mason jar into maybe like jar lantern, or maybe lampshade, or maybe from their old clothes they could create a wallet, a plushies, or maybe a purse or bags or any kind of garments. They could, recycle and create them into new things. So I think in my conclusion, recycling day also one of the best events that we could conduct for this Nature Week. Yeah. So how do you guys think?
I think
Which one of the best? One of the best.
I think the best is camping trip to the forest reserve.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think
Maybe
so.
we
I
should
think so.
think about the cost first and how we.
No, although the cost is high or low, but it's worth it.
Worth it.
Yes.
Yes.
They have many experience we can do there.
We can do donation.
Yes, to collect
we
the.
can ask
Yeah,
them.
collecting.
If we want to reduce the cost, I think
Yeah.
it's better to tree planting activities.
It's whether they're between tree planting and also the recycling, because we can have those things in the university.
So we don't have to.
We don't have to worry, but the number of we don't have to worry about the number of participants for these activities.
Yes.
And I think recycling day is a good activity. We give them we provide them things, or they could like provide themselves
Yes.
for those things also, and then we gave them how many days for them to like produce their products, and then on the particular day we decided where they should like where they should like we should like okay under those week we give them days for them to finish, and then those products they have
To
to
submit.
submit it.
Yes.
Either way, for your ideas, they have to sell it first, and
Yes,
then
yes.
they give those list of profits, and then we decide which one have the biggest profits.
Yes.
Right. And I think recycling is a good idea. It's easy. It doesn't use that much cost. You know.
Yeah, I agree.
So do we reach our consensus? Or
Can we reach our consensus?
We have reached the consensus.
Yes.
Yes, recycling is the best for the Nature Week this week.
right? Cycling. Any other activities that we wanted to do for the nature week? Other than recycling.
We can do
can
camping.
do-
Camping is
We
also
can because we have the six pack.
Yeah.
So
yeah. It's not that far
It's not
from
that far.
our university.
Right.
I think that is all.
yes,
That's all.
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you for